Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of fractions and decimals. This is 8th question of its exercise 2.1. So the question says that Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So Michael and Vaibhav. So यहाँ में गिवन है ये माइकल 7 by 12 आवर्स लेता है जबकि वैभव 3 by 4 आवर। सो लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम इसे 3 by 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। सो हो जाएगा 3 इंटू 3 9 एंड 4 3 जार 12। सो 7 by 12 एंड 9 by 12। सो 9 by 12 यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर सेम है। सो न्यूमरेटर हमारे पास वैभव का बड़ा है। सो 7 by 12 इज लेस देन 9 by 12। सो हु वर्कड लॉन्गर? सो आ जाएगा इसका आंसर वैभव worked longer. And by what fraction was it longer? So Vaibhav worked longer by 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12 is equal to 2 by 12. 2 से 12 cancel out हो जाएगा 6 times. So 1 by 6 R. Thank you.